The presence of Honda Jazz, which is the lord of hatchback vehicles in the country, in March this year, has been authoritatively supplanted by Honda Hatchback RS. Assuming you notice the presence of both, as we would see it, the Honda Jazz RS is far more alluring and trendy when contrasted with different replacements. Then, at that point, don't be shocked assuming the Honda Jazz RS is as yet being pursued despite the fact that the new condition is done being showcased. Obviously, the most costly variation of the Jazz on offer is less expensive than the Hatchback RS from the City in its new condition. Recently, the cost of the Honda City Hatchback RS through the authority site of this vehicle is at a cost of IDR 299 Rp 239 million in Asia. Taking a gander at the presence of the sash, we realize that the Honda Jazz RS applies a plan style that gives need to the forceful, rich, and dregs hatch idea to support a thicker game's air. At the point when the actual vehicle is outfitted with a LED headlamp lighting framework with programmed evening out mode to give a decent degree of perceivability to the driver when driving around evening time. Along these lines, the view will become more clear and more ready. Taking a gander at different parts, the third era of the Honda Jazz RS with code GK gets brandishing resembles a brilliant front grille plus sports front guard, new unique side skirts and another back guard with diffuser. CC likewise executes the organization's lines with an inclining model that spotlights on the game's print on this vehicle. In the wheel circuit, the Jazz RS utilizes a Reward R16 alloy wheels cross model with a 185/55 tire profile. Also, the Jazz top variation is accessible in a pearl orange Phoenix choice highlighting a two-tone idea with a dark rooftop. Discussing the Honda City Hatchback RS, this metropolitan vehicle accompanies a top plan. The center is exceptionally regular of Honda's quiet and consistent plan language. In the belt area, it is connected to the LED lighting framework with LED day shell, LED fog light and back sense light with LED light bar.